So in this tutorial, we're going to go over a practical application of the type function. Now, you can see here the type function is a function in Python that returns the given object indicating its data type, for example, integer, float, string, list, etc. So here we've predefined s as hello, our string, our integer as 37, our float as 37.0, and our list as L equals SIF, so there's all these variables in a singular list. Now we can come down and just start typing out our types. So type s, comma, and I can just press tab. We run that, and now we can see string, integer, float, list, just as we would expect. For example, say we wanted to apply the type function to each element in a singular list, we could just do type z for z in L. And now you can see string, integer, float, string, integer, float. Lastly, we could use this to filter. So we could do v for v in L if type v equals float. So all this is doing is it's searching this list for a float and returning said float. Now, if there's nothing in there, like a Boolean, as there's no Booleans in there, this would return us nothing. This is just a creative way you could use type to filter, depending on what type of project you're doing. And those are just some practical applications of the type function.